Hey guys, this is the Modern Billet polished stainless steel rad cover for the 99-04 GT, V6, and Mach 1, and the 99-01 Cobra. This is a great piece if you're looking for some underhood dress-up. It can stand on its own or look good with other underhood dress-up items. This is a polished cover, so it's especially nice for those of you that want that chrome shine under the hood. This is an easy install, a 1 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter, and you can expect it to take you about a half an hour to get on the car. Like the name suggests, this is made from stainless steel, and you can see that it has a nice, bright, polished finish. It's going to get attention for sure when you pop the hood, and it's going to be a big upgrade over the factory plastic rad cover. The nice thing about this being stainless steel is that it's going to have corrosion resistance, which means a nice long life and a finish that's going to hold up over time. This is going to be for the 99-04 GT, V6, Bullet, and Mach 1 Mustangs. It'll also fit the 99-01 Cobra, but just know that it isn't going to work on the Cobra R models. This is polished stainless steel, which is a nice bright finish to it, so I'm not surprised to see this costing slightly more than your other options currently on the site. You can expect to pay right about $140 for this piece, with the brushed stainless steel option costing about $20 less. But if you need a replacement and you aren't necessarily looking for a show car piece, OPR does make a stock rad cover replacement for about $50 that you can always check out too. When it comes to the install, you can expect an easy one here. This is a 1 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter, and you can plan on spending about 30 minutes on the install. You'll just need some basic hand tools to get the job done, a screwdriver and a ratchet with some sockets. The stock rad cover is held in place by plastic fasteners that you need to remove. Once you have the centers popped up, you can gently pry up the fasteners with a flathead screwdriver. There are 2 bolts for the factory rad support that you'll need to take out. Then the 2 nuts that are holding the overflow bottle to the rad support. Once that stuff is out of the way, you'll install the supplied rubber O-rings onto the supplied metal rad support brackets. Slide the brackets over the studs on the rad. Get your new washers over the new support brackets. There's a protective film over the cover that you can pull off at this point. And place the new cover on the rad support, making sure to line up the mounting points. Bolt down the factory overflow tank and the rad support brackets. Reinstall the plastic retainers that you removed in the first step, and snap the supplied plastic hood prop retainer into the new cover, and that's going to complete the install. That's going to cover things for the Modern Billet polished stainless steel rad cover for the 99-04 GT, V6, Mach 1, and the 99-01 Cobra. You can always check it out more online right here at AmericanMuscle.com.